Yeah. Yep. Okay. I got shit ready, so we are good to go. So, hello and howdy. A wee bit late to my own stream by at least 30 minutes. I said this one, said on Blue Sky, this one's going to be a little bit later, but that's okay. Now let's see if I'm going to dox my appearance, because I did set up things, so it should be on. Okay, good. Hi. Yeah, we're already in. Already in. I need to turn down the music on my end. It's a little loud for me personally, but I turned it down for you all already. I'm gonna turn it down a little bit more. We got Forever from Mobius Trip and Hadrian something. I forgot. But you see, there's already something to fucking update on here, because I logged in and suddenly there's a lot more points in here. We gained more than 1% in points while away. So now we are approximately, we're rounding to 2 decimal places, we're approximately 3.61% to our goal. I think it's because I think we have some new sun badges. I think that's what it is. I think we got some new sun badges. I got some notifications up here. Let's see what those are. 2 days ago, it gave me Kepler, Copernicus, and 10 to the 5th. Interesting. So let's check out the badges. So I think each of those are sun. No. Well, there's Copernicus. But that Kepler is the one that that absolutely kicked ass there. Yeah, that one did it. Because originally we were at what? 2.36. Yeah, we didn't even really add that much in the last session. So this would account for much of it. I didn't want all of that. Let's go back to the previous page. Some badges. What is this? 300 unique skills we've gotten there. Cool. Is there anything else that we got? I don't think so. I think it was just really that. Get out of the way. Yeah. Well, cool. All right. So yeah, already starting out good. A native point to boost. What is up, green screen? You motherfucker. You son of a bitch. Is it because, do you want me to sit over here? Will that do it? No? Now you're just going to be an asshole? Okay, one moment. Don't look at me. I did very minor edits. Let's see what this did. Was this enough? I think it was. Because we were having some weird nonsense over here. Okay, there he goes. Yeah, we had some weird shit going on over here. But okay, let's let her rip. So, we do have the correct category. All right, good. So as the title entails, I actually updated things beforehand. Shocker. Actually, I updated things 2 days ago, so I knew what I was doing. We're going to continue 4th grade. Forever long, I feel like it. Really. Yeah, it just depends on how things feel, really. And then after that, we're going to continue with some Carl. So Carl the Adept 2.0 in Mass Effect 1. The Legend Edition. So let's see what we're getting ourselves into this new unit. Okay. Which number line correctly compares 36 divided by 8 with 4? Well, 32 divided by 8 is 4, so 36 divided by 8 would be greater than 4. So my assumption that's exactly what this one wanted us to consider. All right. 50 beads to make 6 rings. Finds to see how many. Which of the following describes the remainder in this case? Those would be extra beads. No, extra rings. You're right. No? No. It's extra beads. Yeah, because we're talking that there are with the 50 beads and 6 rings, each ring could have 8. If we wanted to be perfectly the same across all, and while using as many beads as possible, while keeping it the same, all 6 will have 8 beads, and there will be 2 beads that don't get used. Hell yeah, gamers. Okay, so we're getting into, well, not the process is too bad because, like, so 14 is not divisible by 3, but a very, 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 very nearby number. In this case, we would, a way that we can do this quickly if the numbers are familiar would be to go to the closest number that we know is divisible by 3, but, of course, going down. We don't want to round up because that's not a remainder, that's a deficit. We want to have a little bit extra so we can gauge the remainder. So that number is going to be 12 because 12 divided by 3 is a perfect 4. So then here, that means that we have a remainder of 2. 4 with a remainder of 2. So that's an easy trick that you can do for situations where the numbers are immediately familiar. But going a little bit besides, so here we want to graph the quotient. So we need to figure out where exactly it is. It will be between 5 and 6, between 6 and 7, or between 7 and 8. They also show that it's a little bit greater than halfway with each of these. That could have been a challenge that they posed here, but they chose not to do that. But we're going to do the exact same trick. So 40 is not divisible by 7. I do know that 42 is divisible by 7 because that's 6. But again, that is above. That is not how we would actually be able to go. On the other end, though, 35 is divisible by 7. So this is actually telling us that our 40 divided by 7 is simply between the two. So we can engage that for our analysis, right? So that's pretty good. All right. Be very careful about feeding bunnies carrots. They are very high in sugar and is at best a treat or a snack. It's dessert. It's got so much sugar. 39 carrots you're feeding? No. Feed them actual bunny food. They need that nutrition. It's just sugar. But okay. So we're asking simply to divide. So we're doing 39 divided by 5 to split it evenly across all. Well, 39 is not divisible by 5, and we do want to gauge how much the remainder is. So I'm going to go to the next highest, the highest multiple of 5 that is less than 39, which is that 35 we saw earlier, which we already know is 7. So we have 7, and we have a remainder of 4 for that. So 7 carrots, remainder of 4. Very nice. Well, theme bonus. Thank you for the bonus. Okay, well, now we're getting to the territory where where this is still pointing out, like, we could use we can use distribution and factoring. This is actually just a factoring exercise, kind of, to perform these operations. So we're essentially performing. It's kind of like factoring, but not really. Because actually what's going on there is that instead of factoring, right now it is distribution, because what we've done, right, is that it's replaced for it recognized, it recognized that that's the same quantity, so that this is the same problem, right? And so it distributed the division onto both. So we have 4,500 divided by 9 now, and then the 63 divided by 9. So cool. Very nice. And so then they already spoiled that 4,500 divided by 9 is going to give us 500. And they also did spoil that that we're going to get a 7 here, which here, this is what we were looking for with this problem anyway. So, excuse me, that's what we're processing. And I guess the answer is going to be 507, right? They gave that away too. But knowing that you can distribute division over addition and subtraction, for that matter, is useful, because we don't talk about that very frequently. Excuse me, it can help turn a long division problem into, well, more of a short division problem. Oh, right. Gamers. So same sort of deal here. Well, here we're going to ignore the 2 zeros for a moment. 24 divided by 6 is simply 4. But so since it wasn't 24, we were talking about 2,400. The answer is 400, right? So it's not bad. Wait, let's do wind. I like wind. Very nice. No mistakes so far. Okay, so this is another division exercise using the area model. Why are you... It's spoiling all of it. I could have found all of it. It's not a problem. It's all there. I could do it. But they took the opportunity away. Whatever. 7 divided by 28 is 4. Include a 0. So we're adding up these now, aren't we? So 1, 10s places, 4, 1, 1, 11, 4, 1, 1141, and that would be then the division that's taking place, because this is the total area, and the other dimension left over is what we just found. So unless I did my addition wrong, yeah. Okay, and there's a mistake. Come on, Kevin. Fart. Well, let's see. They split 2440 into 2440. That's fine. They performed the distribution correctly. So step 1 is fine. Going from there, 24 divided by 8 is in fact 3. Add 2 zeros. And 40 divided by 8 is a 5. Oh, come on, Kevin. Had the dyslexia or dyscalculia strike in right at the very end. Fuck. 60. 5 divided by 30. No, other way. 30 divided by 5 is 6. Put a 0. That's not bad. 4th grade still treating us pretty decently. I don't like estimating. I'd like to just do it. Which estimation is most reasonable? Well, not this one, because that should be like 200, I think, right? Because we could round that, say the 600. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Put 2 zeros, 2. From here, this is close to 600, and it's actually increased in value. So, I mean, that's the only one worth even thinking about, but we can still process it. That's close to 3,600. 36 divided by 6 is 6. There's 2 more zeros. Put those in there, and we're good. Okay, so now we're doing actual division. I suspect this ends in the 3, but it doesn't have to because there's a possible remainder, so... but we can just do normal long division. Yeah, I'm totally fucking down for that. I still do my long division in more of a short form instead of writing down every single step. For example, this is 1, so that's a full 7. I'm not going to write down a 7, subtract, and put a 0. I'm just going to drop down my next number. This doesn't work. I'm going to put a 0, drop down the next number, and from here, that's just below 6, so we have to go 5. Right, and so here I might write down 35 just so I can keep track of my thoughts, like there's actually something that's going on with this one, right? And so that's a remainder of 6, which I can also tell, right, because I was 1 below the next one. So if this, right, so 1 below having a full cut, so 105, 6, 105 with a remainder of 6. So this wants us to do division again. We'll do the same sort of thing. 5 divided into 123. So nothing's going to happen with 1, so I'm ignoring it. Going to the 12, we can get 2 5s in there, and it's going to remainder of 2 when we subtract that, because that's 10. So drop down the 3 because, of course, right, we can't do anything more. So then we're going to go 4, and that's a 20. The remainder is a 3. So 24 and a 3. Very cool. Yeah, that makes sense. Let's do it again. Going in here, we're going to get 1, remainder is a 3, drop the 0 here. This is, oh, that's a full 5. So drop down the 6, and that's going to be a 1. So here, 151, palindrome. Right? I didn't fuck that up. No, I did. Did it? No. No. So 151 and then a 0. So you need to put something in there. We're doing an estimate. Okay, so this is a fucking elbow hurts. So I gotta stop using it. Go and shift. So it's about 240. So 24 divided by 6, we talked to earlier, is 4. So this is probably close to 40. Nice. We're still listening to the wind. I mean, it's a good song. Okay. And it's wanting us to estimate. Well, it's going to have to be that because, right, estimate how many people, wait, after the third, a total, gotta read, during this, so let's, wait, no, that's not where the comma was. There's a comma right there. There's commas here, people. Fucking put your commas. You did there. Why not elsewhere? But yeah, so we can say that there's like 500 people that rode. which means there's like 400 people that rode during the third hour. Mailing 5 remote control cars. You have to pay insurance because of the hazardous materials. The mass was that. And then we're doing an actual division problem. Okay, cool. I'm going to do the set up the long division, then do the short process. So, of course, 3 doesn't do anything. 30, though, on the other hand, is a 6 with a remainder of 4 when we do the subtraction. Bring down that 7. Here, we can get a 9 with a remainder of 2. Stop down the 20. 4. It's this one. $88 melons. Pick 14. Thunderstorm knocked a branch. Crush half the melons that remain. No! Oh, no, I know I had the hardship. We started with 88, subtracted 14, so there's 74. We then divided the 74 by 2. So if we do the long way, we get 3, which would have been 6, remainder of 1 here, then a 7. So there's 37 left. So we want 30. It's like a rage quit by accident. 37 plus the original 14. Carry 1. 51. 51. Nice. Group of 8 cats. Milk's also bad for cats. Doesn't have the nutrients that cats crave. And is I think it's too fatty. I think that's another issue with it. It's too much. It's too high in fat content. Maybe cats are also lactose intolerant. Not 100%. Group of 8 cats, 40 liters of milk per day to maintain good morale. That's a lot of fucking milk. That's a lot of fucking milk. Also, I did like the content warnings because I don't want children coming in here anymore. So there's content warnings for my cursing. And if I want to talk about dick and balls, I'm going to talk about dick and balls. And now there's a warning on chat, on the stream for that sort of stuff. And that's really cool. That's really cool. Right? We can talk about dick and balls. And tits, ass, vagina, areola. I'm going to stop. Because I'm mostly procrastinating when thinking about this problem. Another cat has enough milk to Another cat has enough Traveling with a group of 8 cats, each cat needs 4 liters of milk per day to maintain good morale. Miri has a supply of 96 liters of milk. Another cat has enough milk to last a group for 2 days. What do you mean another cat has enough milk? Based on context clues? Right, it would just be these. Yeah. Done thinking about that one. What? A horse and a rocket-powered robo-ostrich. That's Crazy shit, okay. Ran for that far twice as far as the horse. So we just need to divide by 2. Well, we don't actually really need to do this one because those are all even numbers, but we're going to write it out anyway. So here, right, they're all even numbers, so we need 2 for 4. We need 4 of those. 1 and 4. Didn't have to write down anything because there's no remainder each time. It's perfect. Divides perfectly. So 24, 14. Of course, they're right. We didn't need to write it down. 12 questions this time. Which one's most reasonable? Well, not the one that gets bigger. These two get smaller at least. So it's this one because that should be closer to 3,000 than 300. Well, I didn't get this one this time around anyway. We all remember that 6 times 9 is 54. That's reminding us, right? Take the part that is perfectly divisible, perform that, and if you got any extra zeros, simply just put the zeros there. You're fine. 4 rocks weigh 12 kilograms. Keeps them in a box that weighs 6 kilograms. He can lift all of the rocks in the box above his head at once. Well, don't really have to estimate here because we can just say that 4 times 12 is 48 plus 6 is 54. Like we well, I guess it's going to be 45 because they round down the 12 to 10, and I guess the 6 is approximately 5. So that's a bad one. Just do it. Yeah. Okay, well, now we get to just do it. Okay, good. 5 dividing into 320. Nothing here. 6 into that one. And then 4. 64. Nice. Guess that makes sense. Planted 485 trees this year. 5 orchards of trees. How many trees will be in each orchard? Oh, cool. Okay. 5 divided by into 485. Fuck, I'm tired today. It's just how it goes. It's where we're going to fit 9 bad boys in there. Going to be a rated mirror of 3, 97 trees. Okay, and you fucking give it away, but H. There's a remainder of 1. That's what they're getting at. There's a remainder of 1. I'm picking up on things. I'm seeing what they're doing. My knee hurts a little bit. Stop paying attention. My mind went blank for a moment. That would be 3921. Oop. So they're saying that this is 3921 with a remainder of 1. Wait, what the fuck? What did I... Oh, because I added the wrong things. Fuck, my mind just went really blank there for a moment. I was like, what the fuck just happened? I just subtracted by 1. Oh my god. We're adding these up, so that's 1907. Fuck. And then I was going to say, let's just do the division real quick, right? Let's check our work. 3922. You can see that? Okay. That's 1. That's going to be perfect. That's 3. That's going to be perfect. That's not going to work, so we're doing the full 22. Oh, it's because I didn't divide either. God, I'm fucking dumb. I'm just trying to get 5 misses on the board, aren't I? God damn. Well, 21 divided by 3 is already 7, so that's going to be bigger. I mean, that's not... Like, what? 4 packs of gum with 6 pieces of gum in each pack. 3 packs of gum with 5 pieces in each. 19 pieces of gum. It like nowhere in the problem did it say that they actually used any of the gum, so I was kind of confused by the last sentence. So we start with 4 times 6, and then cumulatively 3 times 5 is then our second set. And to have 19 left means that we're subtracting some quantity from that to get there. Otherwise, we can find the number that was devoured by doing the opposite in terms of subtraction. So this one should do it. Hell yeah. Spent $206 to set up the art show. How much money did the art club have after the show? Okay, well, we're doing subtraction, right? We spent this quantity. So there's $42 left over, but we added 316 to that, so we get 8, 5, 3, $358. I'm really tired, so I'm like so betting that there's going to be something that goes wrong sometime soon. Like that I don't end up catching because I'm doing extra work just for funds. So this is almost 8, so we're going to have to go with 3. 3 is going to give us a remainder of 6 because it's 21. Drop down that 5. Okay, that's just above 9 because 9 is 63. So we're going to have a remainder of 2, not 3. 2 and 8. Oh, and that's a perfect 4. Cool. I like short division. 394. Don't like long division as much because we don't really need to write it all down if we don't have to write it all down. 10 members, 31 books to share equally. I mean, yeah, I could. Yeah, I mean. That wasn't really anything. It's kind of cool. Because that's 9 times 12. The 108 is. So that's 81 times 12. Huh. Cool. Yes. Fucking elbow. Okay. It's only 1 unit that we've done so far. I would like to get at least 2 done, but if we can do 3, that'd be nice because that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more exercise sets. Just kind of tired. So it'd be nice to just shit around in Mass Effect for a bit. List all the factors of 24. Well, those are multiples. And 3 is a factor of 24, so I'm going to assume that this one has done it correctly. 10 is not a factor of 24. Those are the multiples of 6. Multiples of 8. Well, we need multiples, which means definitely that number is smaller. That's 8 times 2, 3, 4, 5. Which equation shows that 5 is a factor of 45? This one will do it. Saying that 5 times something results in 45, or if we said that 45 divided by 5 or 45 divided by 9, like either of those would have worked just fine for this. This factor is a multiplication thing. Multiplication, division. Well, those are the same thing anyway, so it doesn't matter. Which the following is a multiple of 8. Yeah, because that's 8 times 9. That's 7 times 5, 2 prime numbers. This is, well, we can say 2 times 6. Did I say 6? Oh my God, 2 times 9. And that there is 5 times 12. 12, not a multiple of 8. It's not happening. So that's a pretty good one. It's a pretty good one. Pretty quick. Squeezy. Those are just numbers that end with 7. Oh, if you're going prime and composite, then yeah. So here, 27 is a composite number. I remember that immediately. The other 3 numbers, 7, 47, and 67, I think are all prime. I think those ones are prime, yeah. Prime being that the only factors of the number is 1 in itself, whereas composite number is not prime. That's the only thing that's special about those. Why is it like really yellow over there? Interesting. Which of these is a composite number? 9. Hey, that answered that question. Birth. Glass mother. 33 is composite. Yeah, because that's 3 times 11. Which of these is a composite number? Well, 99 is obviously composite because, you know, it's 9 times 11. So, that's a prime number. Oh, I gotta think about the rest of these, you bastard. I'm predicting that, though. So, we want to be able to reason this through, and I'm going to try to do so in a way that it's not fully disingenuous, right? So, no, we can do this right. We can do this right. So, here, one of the easiest ways that you can go about processing these numbers is to consider perfect squares as a sort of mark for what you need to look for. For example, you do not, when checking to see if something is divisible by something else, you do not need to check prime numbers larger than the square root of the number you're looking at. And the reason for that is if you go above the square root, you're just going to be finding numbers that would match to the numbers that are less than the square root. So there's no point. You can just stick to the smaller numbers. You will find the larger numbers through that division. So you don't need to go. 19, I do. Like that one I have. I just know that one's a prime number. But the other one's not 100%. So let's list up some perfect squares. We got 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, That one's 6, so we need 7. 49. 8 is 64. And 9 is 81, followed by 100. So here, this is going to be between our 8 and 7. 8, 9. Oh, hi there. Hope you're having a nice day. We're playing around with Khan Academy's... How late am I to that message? Not insanely late. We're playing around in Khan Academy. The goal, we have a progress tracker that I'm manually doing on the bottom left there. We are working to get 10 million. Yeah, 10 million points in Khan Academy for the Tesla black hole badge. Right now we're more than 3% of the way there. So we're handling it with some good old early math review. Right now, working on mastery in 4th grade. It's going to be good. So here, not sure how much you've been paying attention. We are, God, I'm tired. I keep losing train of thought. To figure out if this is a prime number, actually, I think it is. We're going to be checking the prime numbers that are less than 8 for viability. It's not, all of these are, this number is even. Well, it's odd. Fuck. It's not even, so we don't need to check 2. That will be a waste of time. So we're going to check 3. We don't need to check 5. 5 is, our multiples of 5 are, of course, ending in 0s and 5. So we don't need to check 5. But we're going to start with 3. And I guess we're going to try 3 and 7. If 3 and 7 do not divide this number, then it's prime. And we do not need to check anything else. We do not need to check anything else because its square root is somewhere between 8 and 9. So let's check it out. So let's try 3. We're going to divide 3 into our 73 and see if we get something that's perfect. So from here, I actually already know that's not going to work. Yeah, so 3 is not going to cut it. We know that, but to verify for folks out there, here we have there would be 2 3s that go into the 7, leaving a remainder of 1, and drop down 3 to get 13. 3 doesn't divide 13. This is so far prime based on 3s, but let's check the 7 since 7 is in our pool of reviews, and we'll tell very quickly that it's not going to work because, yeah, 10 point something. So 73 is prime. Badass. Now let's consider the 9. The 9 is going to be somewhere between 9 and 100. So we do not need so we actually have the same pool of prime numbers that we're going to be checking. We're going to check 97 off of 3 and 7. Again, we do not need to actually check with any others. And actually, I already know that this one's prime too, but we'll show the work anyway. Because essentially processing it in my head ahead of time. So, right, so that's going to be perfect 3. That's going to be 0. We're considering then the 7 on its own, and that's not divisible by 3. So 3 doesn't work. If we then toss the 7 in there, we're going to get a 2 here, drop a 2, and 27 is not divisible by 7. So this is prime. And again, we do not need to check anything else. We do not need to check anything else. Because if a higher prime number would divide 97 or 73, then it would have been its factorial pair, I guess we could say. That's not correct. That's not correct. But the number that higher prime number would have to multiply to create then 97 or 73 would need to be one of the smaller prime numbers that are then below the square root of that number. And it's not here. We don't have it. It's not here. Doesn't work. Because our prime numbers less than 8 or less than 9, since that's really all we needed to look for, is 2. It's not even. 3. We checked it out. 5. Neither of these numbers end with a 0 or 5, so right, we're not checking that. 7. We checked that one. And the next one after 7 is 11, which is above the square root. So we're not checking. We're not checking that. And we're done. Yeah, these are all prime numbers, which is cool. It's cool. I spent a lot more time in that section than I needed to. But that's okay. All right. Ooh, hoo, 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 hoo. This is modular. This is modular arithmetic. That is cool, teaching that in the 4th grade. There are 1, there are 2, there are 3, and Toto is a 0. This is what I mean. So this is really cool. Modular arithmetic is really cool. At least the basic shit. The advanced modular arithmetic is kind of useless. But so what we mean here is that Scarecrow is the first one to get a candy. Tin Man is second, Cowardly Lion is third, and Toto is the 4th. But we put Toto at a 0 because this is a cycle of 4. The cycle has a length of 4. The period of this is 4, I guess we would say. And what we can then do is that with every 4, the cycle will repeat itself. Every 4, the cycle will repeat. The first, the second, the third, and the last. The important thing there then is that, so suppose we have 4 cherries. We use 1, 2, 3, and then a 4th. Suppose then we go to the 8th, right? The first 4, and then we have 5, 6, 7, and 8. With a period of 4, every 4 is a number. Every time we get to the 4th, then we have a number that a place where it is divisible by 4, right? That's all it is. So we put 0 because then we can use division to figure this out. And the remainder is what we want. We are doing modular arithmetic. We are actually calculating. That's a 3. I needed a 3. So we're doing 23 mod 4, actually. So that's essentially what's going on here. So to explain again, what this is going to actually just be equal to 3. So the correct answer is actually the Cowardly Lion. But let's when you do we'll do division. It's 23. We got nothing into the 2, so we're going to consider 23. That is going to then be 5 with a remainder of 3. That remainder is the modular. Is the value. We'll call that. I don't remember what the output of modular arithmetic is called, but whatever. But so this is going to be a 3. And that means Scarecrow gets 1, Tin Man gets 1, Cowardly Lion gets the last one, and Toto is left dry with 5 cherries. Unless I totally fucked that up, but I don't think I did. Badass. But so that's cool. That's cool because, yeah. Okay, so this is a mod 3. Oh, it's the 7th shape. That's literally the next one. It's the fucking circle. But yeah, so like this here, right? The period is 3 because it takes 3 terms for a cycle to be completed before starting again. So a period of 3, so 7 mod 3, and that's going to be 1 because it's 1 past the 6th. Cool. Describe the pattern. We're multiplying by 4 each time. I'll see what you're trying to do. There we are. We have a period of 4, and the cycle is triangle, rectangle, square, triangle. Oh, that's this. Wait, what the fuck? That's not another square. Oh, that's gross. Well, we could say it's that. This is the only one that actually makes sense because we do see one where we could go square, triangle, triangle, rectangle. None of the rest of these actually work because this has square at the end. No. And this has a square, then a rectangle if you start with 2 triangles, and that's also not true. That's gross. Get me excited for things. We're adding 7 each time. They're actually going to have a... The pattern starts with 7 and lists the first 10 multiples of 7. Yeah, okay. Pattern has more odd numbers than even numbers. That's not going to be true. Because it literally flips back and forth. Each number is 7 greater than the previous. Well, I said that originally just said that we were adding 7 each time, and 7 is a factor of every number. Yeah, because these are the multiples of 7. So, yeah, that one's bad. That one's bad. I was overthinking that one, I think. Okay. Off to the unit test. So we're adding 15. Interesting, okay. 37. This is getting us prepared for ordered pairs in graphing. Prelude. It's 50. That is going to be 56. Oh, that's it? Okay. Let's make sure I actually did these right. Yeah, that's 37. Yeah, that's 30. Yeah, that's 56. Okay. 56. Cool. Which of these is composite? 5. Probably the multiple of 5 sitting there. Check. Thank you. Which equation shows that 45 is a multiple of 15? This one does it. The rest of these are, well, this is correct. This is correct, and this is correct. That's not a correct statement. Excuse me. Try and shade all of the multiples of 5, but you didn't shade 5 itself. 5 is a multiple of 5. I would say that, yeah. Well, welcome in, Kilgore. See how it is. Filters. We said, so we got squares over circles, so that means that the inner layer is a circle. Okay. Just get some holes. Okay. Alexa, set a timer for 30 minutes. No. Not giving you the gratification of constantly changing it. Wait, Corey, do you actually have one nearby? I mean, this is what was asked for. I get to have holes in me for 30 more minutes. Petra walked in. Hi. Hey. Just doing a little break.
I was thinking of taking a nap.
Naps are good.
Feel bad.
Do a quick one, yeah. Okay. See if Aria wants to join you too. That'd be nice.
She's just been laying with me. So.
Oh, yay. I'm glad she went back instead of just free roaming like she started. Okay. So hexagons over squares. I guess we can Kilgore says hi. She didn't reply. We'll keep. Okay, so then, Alexa, end timer. Alexa, set a timer for 15 minutes. Oh, fourth grade math is a lot easier than calculus. Don't like. We're on the road to the 10 million points in Khan Academy. You don't get that starting with calculus. Well, 3. I mean, because that's the 7 times 9. So I was anticipating one of those two, but 3 counts. You know, it's good. That's fair there. Okay. Oh, did you? Oh, wait. I have to say confirm, right? I have to say confirm to get the timer to be set. All right. So let's confirm the period real quick. So, oh, there's not a period. This is not. Yeah, this is not a periodic pattern. Not really. This one changes. Man, I'm gonna have to think hard. Every rhombus is not an odd number shape because we literally see 6 and 10 right here. So that's Pog. Shape 15 is a rectangle. The next group will have 4 rectangles. I mean, that is just true. Because we have 1, 2, 3. We would have 4 in the next group. So, I mean, that's just true. But let's also confirm shape 15 just for fun. 11, 12, 13, 14, right? And then, yeah. Oh, that's a wonderful rhombus. Yeah, it's very nice. Okay. All the multiples of 3 on a 100 chart. I agree with you. I mean, they're multiples of 3. 3's a prime number, but multiples of 3 are not prime. They're inherently composite. Okay. Oh, the point of the question would be if 3 wasn't a prime number already, like if we did every multiple of 4. 4 is not a prime number, so all of those ones would have been composite. I'm okay. And of course, the fact that we all know 7 times 8 is 56. 7's not a multiple of 56. It's a factor. Because 56 is a multiple of 7. But yeah, so those are factors. Nice little vocabulary. We want multiples of 6. Cool, so it's that. The rest include at least one factor. We want factors of 36. Great, so 36 is the largest number. 24 is not a factor of 36. Is there anything else that's kind of missing? Oh, you don't even have 6 in that one. Yeah, no, that's bad. Oh, they do a wrong thing in that they have like these two like added together would be 36, I guess. Doesn't matter. And we're good. Okay. And so then I think I'm awake enough to still do Unit 7 before switching over the Mass Effect. So let's do Unit 7 real quick. Well, I guess we can solve this with cross multiplication, but we don't really need that because we can just look at this as a scaled fraction. We started with 1, and to get to 10, we multiply it by 10. So we did that in the numerator and denominator, so k has to be 100. That's one way of doing that anyway. There's a lot of different ways. Ooh. Well, I mean, that's obviously larger, and that's obviously smaller. Equivalent shaded areas, yeah. That's what I want us to be able to see. Which picture has an area equivalent to 8/12? Okay, well, if you're going to be that way, I'm just going to simplify your fraction. 8 and 12 both have greatest common factor of 4. So if we divide each by 4, 8 divided by 4 is 2, 12 divided by 4 is 3. So we want 2/3 total size shaded, which would actually be this one here. We could also, if we wanted sixths, it would have been 4/6. And we cannot do a clean division by fourths for this because that would mean we need to divide 8 by 3. And that just doesn't work. Yeah, so that's good. Let's see. Oh, I guess you're telling me that I can just count. Okay. Oh, I was going to do the multiplication thing again, but if I can just count, I'll just count. I'm tired again. Fuck. 9 times 12. What's going on? What are we doing? What? List the first 5 multiples of the denominator. Okay, I should read. 18, 24, and oh, this is going to look at least common. Oh, I need to read. I need to read the problem. I need to read the problem. Scream real loud. I mean, I can do that. Do you want me to? Is that what you're asking for? Well, I don't want to scream real loud, actually, but I can. I can do it. You're distracting me. You're distracting me. $12, right? Because least common denominator is the smallest common multiple of the denominators. The least common multiple, you would say, actually. Cool. LCDs are great. Oh yeah, because that was already mastered. The early math courses have a lot of overlap with other things, and there's other math courses that overlap with other math courses as well. So when it comes to gaming the system and maximizing your point profit as you're working through Khan Academy to get yourself a Tesla black hole badge, start with the early math. It overlaps with a lot of other things, and you get a lot of point boosts pretty quickly. Although that is like, you know, like it's a solid early game, and late game it's going to be a slog. It's going to be such a slog. It's going to be good though. It's going to be fine. Shut up, Kilgore. This one's bigger because when we go common denominator route, right, that's going to be 6/10. Well, there's a screen for it. Which number line accurately shows the relationship of 3/2 and 5/8 when their relationship with 1? Well, 3/2 is inherently larger because it's a larger numerator than the denominator, so that is going to be more to the right. And so by analyzing that, then of course, yeah, there was already a harder activity of that I completed before. I'm very sure. Okay. No, it's fine. Okay. Joe. 3/10 of an hour, 4/6 of an hour, 8, 12 of an hour, 1/3 of an hour. So you might be thinking here and going, Joe. What's up with these fractions? You're dumb. You're an idiot, Joe. What the fuck? But no. Actually, this makes a lot of sense because, right, an hour is 60 minutes. So when you frame that into what's going on here, it actually works out perfectly. Because 1/10 of 60 is 6. So that means if we make another column in our table and we go minutes, then every 10th is 6 minutes times 3 is 18 minutes. 6. Every 6th of a 60 is 10. right? So that's going to be 40 minutes. 60 divided by 12 is 5, so every 12th is 5, so 8 times 5, also 40. And then a third, 6 divided by 3 is 2, it's 60, so it's really 20, so every third is 20, so every third is 20. So, and of course a half hour is a half hour, 30. So that was our benchmark. We wanted less than 30, so we get that on Monday and Thursday. Did they actually select? Okay, yeah, no, it's just trying to highlight stuff. Stop highlighting. Okay. Yeah, I did that right. Yeah, so it's actually good fractions. Those are the same. Well, okay, now we finally have 2 that are greater. Okay, so then they want me to go, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our 5/4, so the 3/2 is bigger. Cool. That was bad. That wasn't bad, rather. Then unit test, we'll see some overlap with the previous questions. So we have these 2 fractions, cool. Random, so a common denominator, whole number numerators. And whole number numerators, right? That's so important. Don't make life difficult by choosing a common denominator. It's going to cause decimals or fractions for your numerators. That's ridiculous. Stop it. So what could we use as the common denominator? So we don't need least common, and we just need simply common. So an important thing, they both divide these 2 numbers. So that's actually it. I think that's actually the least common too, because that's 8 times 3 for 24. So Adam. I mean, Adam pulled a me. I'd rock 2/3 of a pizza probably. As long as those are the quantities that the other people will eat, though, right? I'm going to equal share. I'm going to hold off for a little bit. And then if I'm still hungry, I'm still hungry. I'm going to go at that pizza. The song's a bop. What was it called again? Oh, that's because it's Crystal Meth Sequence. No wonder it's a bop. Adam ate the most pizza. So, I mean, this is the only correct answer. 8 less? No. 8 more than that? No. I mean, yeah, and well, a 12th is smaller than a 4th, so yeah, no, that. Okay. Oh, okay, because that simplifies. I was first thinking it's just like, well, it's not going to go perfect, but no, it does, because, right, so 4/8 is actually the fraction 1/2, so then that's actually the fraction 3/6. So that's good. It's 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 good because that's 1/2. That's greater than 1/2 because that would be 3, right? So, 7/8 is better, right? Let's color in though. We got 1/2, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7/8. I got worried I hit the wrong symbol for a moment. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 6/8, which is 3/4. Cool. Yeah, because that's physically larger. Yeah, these are actually the same sizes, so I can trust that. Trust that one. And if anything, one of these is one of those. Cool. Oh, there's a chance that someone's correct. They're not, though. Okay. I was so happy to like look at the situation where we're doing one of these like, oh, there's a mistake one, and hopefully have something that the person's actually correct, but nope. You literally said it. 4/7 is less than 1. 5/3 is more than 1. Yes, that's it. And this is correct. 4/7, half of 7 is 3.5, so 4 is greater than a half. I double tapped that way too fast. That scared shit out of me. We already did this problem earlier, but it was the other way around. So that's going to be a 10. That's the same. That's the same fraction. Yes. Cool. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so I want to play Mass Effect. So we will be ending our math now, basically. So we're good there. So let's check the damage. So this is what we started with, and we had a big boost just simply like logging in today because I'd gotten a new sun badge while I was away, and it gave me a full 100. Triangles over circles. So you want me to swap the triangles now? Has it been 15 minutes? Is that what that was? Or 30 minutes or whatever? Because I'm changing. I'm changing, so let's change. That's fair. So we are going triangles over circles. Outer layer. Look like this. What's kind of cool about the circles being in the background is that so the circles have empty space that the other pixels don't do. The triangle, hexagon, and square pixelization is always like crisp. They tessellate perfectly. Circles, on the other hand, has that empty space, so we get literal holes in it. And because of the outer layer being a smaller pixelization than the inner layer, we get some pretty goofy things that the shapes want to do. So it's pretty good. But to be able to see what points we're at, we need to do a refresh. We didn't get far. We'll do another refresh just for fun. All right, yeah. So here we're rounding everything to 2 decimal places for the tracker. So let's update that real quick. We are now at 3.68% to our goal, and 2 days in a row without any misses. So that's 2 streams in a row, rather, not 2 days in a row. But yeah, cool. All right. Oh. Okay. So, let's swap some things around then. Yep. Okay. Let's go big mode for a moment. Because taking a big sippy. I'm going to stand up. I'm going to walk around a little bit. I'm going to do some stretching. And we'll boot up Mass Effect to continue Carl 2.0. Started working out again, so my muscles are tight too. So my titties hurt. So we'll be right back, gamers. Why is the DVD source not working? What happened? Oh, did it lose the picture? Oh, Kilgore, you have to remind me to make some aqueous Kilgores. We're going to do one of the aqueous Dwaynes I have set up though. Can we make the boy a little bit bigger? Yeah, that'll be good. That'll be good. That'll be good. Okay. So enjoy an aqueous Dwayne and some flour. I'm going to be back in a little bit. You're going to hear me walk around. I'm not going to be saying any shit. I'm not going to fart. You won't know. You still want to use the shitty corn? Yeah. Any corners happen? Hmm. Hmm? Oh. Mm-hmm. 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 Yeah. No. No, we're off now. We're off. We're not there anymore. That's okay. Hmm. Same track that's been playing? Yeah, it's it's a long track. Okay. Oh, good there. All right. 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 Okay. Pausing the track. Closing it. Because we're getting ready to game. I need to get shit out of the way. All right. Continuing Carl 2.0. Carl the Adept. Our sweet boy. Our grotesque man. Well, that was loud. Yeah, the game actually showed up. That's cool. Oh, I need to change my... Gotta change the category. Mass Effect. Lumber Edition. Done. Alright. Okay. Again, we are resuming Carl Shepard. Splash image. Alright, OBS. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. You're not going to do it? Just going to stay black screen? I mean, I can fix it. I'm going to have to wait till the fucking thing fully loads. on, Carl. Cool. Capture a specific window. What the fuck do you mean by that? Well, this is what I want to have up anyway. Okay. Weird fuckers. How do I sound? Fine, I'm sure. So there's assignments. I don't have anything new there. There's no race against time. I gotta find a conduit. What is it? No, it doesn't exist because we are dumb. Okay, I was like, where the fuck is this other sound coming from? Petra's making some popcorn and playing a music, not music, but a video. And I was like, what's this other sound? It's not coming up. It's not being picked up by the mic though, which I'm saying out loud just so that Petra knows that all is good. Let's have Joker talk epic shit.
How's the Normandy performing? Is she everything they said she'd be?
She's the best ship in the
We're not going to
fleet.
listen to most
If
of the
you've got a
conversations.
pilot
We're
who knows
just
how to
going to
handle her.
skip through some of them.
Balance isn't what you'd expect. Takes a while to get used to that oversized drive core we got stuffed in the back, and her power can sneak up on you if you're not careful. The Normandy's probably too much ship for your average Alliance
Normandy's not the
pilot,
only thing that could
Commander.
have an oversized
Lucky
drive
for
cord
you,
shoved in the
I'm
back.
anything but average.
Take that how you will.
I like to know my crew. Mind if I ask you if you...
I can see where this is going. You did a background check on me. You want me? Top of my class in flight school? I earned that. All those commendations.
What are you talking about? Are you sick?
You mean you didn't know?
No, they didn't hand me shit. I just came on board and you were like, okay, leave.
I've
And I
got
was like, all right.
Vrolik syndrome, brittle bone disease. The bones in my legs never develop properly, even with crutch. Put the Normandy in my hands and I'll make her dance for you.
I need to know more about this Vrolik
Yeah,
syndrome.
of course. They classify. 100 years ago, I wouldn't have survived past my first year. Lucky for
You're not
me.
gonna break a
I
bone.
I can do my job as well as anyone.
I'm not trying to
Whatever you
make
want,
you-
Commander. It's a lot shorter than saying Alliance Flight Lieutenant Jeff Moreau.
I was just thinking how much you remind me of Santa Claus.
Look, I didn't pick the name. One of the instructors in flight school used to bug me about never smiling. She started calling me Joker, and it stuck.
Why didn't you ever smile?
Hey, I worked my ass off in flight school, Commander. The world's not gonna hand you anything if you go around grinning like an idiot. By the end of the year, I was the best pilot in the academy, even better than the instructors, and everybody knew it. They'd all got their asses kicked by the sickly kid with the creaky little legs. One guess who was smiling at graduation?
I have to go.
All right, see ya.
All right, see ya. Yeah, I'm still disappointed in Seth Green. Hi, Presley.
If anyone has to take over for Captain Anderson, I'm glad it's you. I'm not sure.
We're all on the same team.
With all
here.
due respect, sir, that's what they said about.
I'm in charge here,
Yes, sir.
Presley.
Understood.
Speak freely,
It's not
Presley.
that, Commander. Humanity is always.
Some people
I
think
guess so. Maybe I'm just stuck in.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
were- They had the numbers. I got my officers.
Carry on,
That's
Presley.
cool.
Yes, sir.
One of the cool things about this about the mod set. So again, if you do !ME mods in the chat, you'll get a link that goes to the Tumblr post that I have, the curated list of all the mods that I have. One of them is lore-friendly notifications. Shepherd. Rex. I've already read all of these before, so just gonna leave them on the board just a little bit for anyone. I guess it's gonna be really annoying for anyone who's like live watching. It's a VOD watcher's paradise right now. because like this one's a fucking long one. But what's cool about this one? So what's cool about this one is that out of nowhere, Hackett just starts yelling at you to do shit. You know, well, not yelling, but you know, it's just like, hey, do this, hey, do this, hey, do this, hey, do this. But you're never introduced actually to Admiral Hackett. It's like you already knew who this guy was. Us as players don't. Excuse me. So it's really weird. It's really weird. And so this helps explain some of that situation in a very lore-friendly way. So it's very nice. It's very nice. It's very nice. Very nice. Very Godspeed Shepard. More. So this is giving some information into the Mako. Very cool. Very nice. Also talks about how there's boosters in it now, which is new and different than the original version of the game. Now this is fun. This is a fun one because so here, right, we have Quarian on board. If on pilgrimage, like, so is Tali like communicating back and forth? Is that like what's going on here? No, not necessarily. Instead, right. Maybe, anyway. Could be back and forth. But it's not specified anyway, at the very least. And so here, we read through all of this. We get to the end. It's just like, you fuck with Tali. You fuck with us. Blah, blah, blah. And who's that? Rail Zora. Voss Alarai. That's... Solizad. So it's nice to have like that in there. Dossier on our lovely boy Saren Arturius. All that good information. Saren's charisma, firepower, and influence should under no circumstances be underestimated. Very cool. More. This is a weird one to get like right away. But I think it's because I'm not checking my mods. Actually, I can check my mods side. Do I have one that changes the timings of things in this one? I do. Yeah, I do. But I don't think this delays Asteroid X-57. So I'm not 100% sure why that's currently, like, why this is popping up right here, right now, because we don't have access to that mission yet. So this showing up later would have made more sense. So that's a bit of a bummer. Oh yeah, so this thing right here, Pinnacle Station. That's one of the mods. Bit of lost media. We'll play through that with Carl. Because it's not the worst. I do kind of suck at it though. Giving us the context, like Helena Blake said that she was sending us coordinates. Well, here they are. So we would not have gotten that one without engaging. Admiral Kahoku said that he was going to send us coordinates. Gareth said that he was going to send us coordinates. Emily Wong's report. Kind of nice. Right? Pretty cool. Do we got more? No. Okay. I think we have, did we already collect this particular codex entry? We did already. Okay. Did we? I guess so. Do we have equipment? No, I sold it all. Yeah, I sold the trash. Let's go around and talk to people. Let's we talk to Presley. We're gonna go down. We'll talk to Engineer Adams. I'm gonna run over here first though. Open doors. Examine the manual. 29 XP. I have a personal terminal here tool. That's very cool. Very nice. Hi, Kaden. The very suspenseful approach.
Anything you need, Commander?
No, I'm good. I'm totally honest.
Just trying to get a sense of where the crew's at. Thoughts?
I've wasted enough of your time for now, Commander. We'll have time for personal debriefings later.
What's your opinion on the last mission?
I don't see how we could have done things any better. At least not without getting to
At least with the holes, you can kind of see any
We were
text
on
that
the
shows up
scene
behind me.
faster than any other Alliance ship could have been.
We'll talk another time, Lieutenant.
Commander?
Commander. Shepard. Cade. Shepard. Hey. Oh. Ooh, Metagel. Ooh, it's over there. We already talked
Yes,
about
Commander?
chocolates.
Is there something you need?
I should go.
Goodbye, Commander.
We already talked about those things. No one's there. No one's there. Okay. Rex.
Nice ship you've got, Shepard.
Mm-hmm.
What can I do for you?
What's your story, Rex?
There's no story.
What's your middle name?
Go ask the Quarian if you want stories.
You Krogan lived for centuries. Don't tell me you haven't had a few interesting adventures.
Well, there was this one time the Turians almost wiped out our entire race.
Time
was
to
fun.
be culturally insensitive. Isn't that right, Shepard?
They tried the same with us, but we fought them off.
It's not the same.
It seems pretty much the same to me.
So your people were infected with a genetic mutation? An infection that makes only a few in 1,000 children survive birth? And I suppose it's destroying your entire species?
I suppose it isn't all the same.
I don't expect you to understand, but don't compare humanity's fate with the
Weird.
Krogan.
It was the half that was, I assumed, the other
Mm-hmm.
problem.
Yeah. That's annoying though, I'm sorry. Petro-based popcorn.
Sorry, Rex. I wasn't trying to get you upset.
Your ignorance doesn't upset me, Shepard.
Or more accurately, Petro made some pepcorn.
As for the Krogan, I gave up on them long ago. The genophage infected us, but it's not what's killing us.
Yeah.
What can you tell me about the genophage?
All I know, it makes breeding nearly
There's a few
impossible.
in there, but it'll be fine.
Thousands die in stillbirth. Most never get that far. Every
No, I'm good.
Krogan is infected. Everyone.
Why don't the Krogan try to find a cure?
One you ask it. It's just who we are, Shepard.
Are your people
We're
really-
sure we're too spread out.
Lots of species
But
have
they
left?
go. We're not settled, so we leave. Hire ourselves.
So long, Rex.
Shepard.
Shepard.
Commander,
What's your opinion on the last mission?
kinda wish you'd got there sooner, Commander. No offense, I appreciate the rescue. I just wish...
You wish we'd been able to save the rest of your unit.
Yes, sir. If I had been more alert, we wouldn't have been cut down by an ambush.
The Geth are perfect ambushers. They don't move, they don't make noise, they don't even breathe.
Sir, they have flashlight heads. I'll make sure it doesn't happen again.
Do you have a
I'm
few
sure they
minutes
can
to
turn it
talk
off if they
one-on-one?
want, I guess.
I'm sorry, Commander. I need to get my duties squared away. I wouldn't mind talking more later, though.
Dismissed, Chief.
Sir.
Don't look at me that way.
Thanks for bringing me on board, Commander. I knew working with a Spectre would be better than life at CSEC.
Have you worked with a Spectre before?
Well, no, but I know what they're like. Spectres make their own rules. You're free to handle things your way. At CSEC, you're buried by rules. The damn bureaucrats are always on your back.
For the most part, the rules are there for a reason.
Maybe. But sometimes it feels like the rules are only there to stop me from doing my work. If I'm trying to take down a suspect, it shouldn't matter how I do it, as long as I do it.
But CSEC wants it done their way. Protocol and procedure come first. That's why I left.
So you just quit because you didn't like the way they do things?
There's more to it than that. It didn't start out bad, but as I rose in ranks, I got saddled with more and more red tape. CSEC's handling of Saren was typical. I just couldn't take it anymore. I hate leaving.
I hope you made the right choice. I'd hate for you to regret it later.
Well, that's sort of why I teamed up with you. It's a chance for me to get off the Citadel, see how things are done outside CSEC. Either way, I plan to make the most of this.
And without CSEC headquarters looking over my shoulder, well, maybe I can get the job done my way for a change.
Let's talk some
If
shit.
getting the job done means endangering innocent people, then no.
I wasn't trying to.
Yep. All right.
Hey,
Anything
Commander.
fun?
Looking for some
What have you got?
Well, hell, the licenses alone have set me... Check back often. I need to move...
How often?
Oh, yeah, I forgot
Check
that
back
they
often.
fucking changed.
I need to move... Many of the... There are too many for me to keep track of. But each...
Let's see what
You
you've
bet,
got.
Commander.
Can't purchase any of those. You don't have any of the fun upgrades, and I already sold all my, like the Express. This is shite. Shite, and shit. I already clicked on everything.
Hey, Commander, you know that Quarian, Tally? She's been spending all her time down here asking me about our engines.
She's really cute, though, right?
I'll tell her to leave you alone.
What? No, she's amazing. I wish my guys were half as smart as she is. Give her a month on board and she'll know more about our engines than I do. She's got a real knack for technology, that one. I can see why you wanted her to come along.
I figured she'd be a real asset to the team.
You got an eye for talent, Commander, but I'm guessing that's not why you came down here.
Fill me in on the IES stealth systems. How does it work exactly?
You can't hide a ship out in space. They emit too much heat and radiation. Too easy for sensors to pick them up, unless you find a way. So our stealth... Eventually the sinks have... Most vessels... Sensors can pick up our location.
Remember,
whenever we
windows
enter
are
or
structural
exit it.
weaknesses.
She's the best ship I've ever... Proportionally, it's about... You name it. My last assignment was on the Tokyo.
Carry on, Adams.
Aye, aye, Commander.
For more thorough conversations, go to youtube.com/@aqErVOD and search for the Mass Effect 1 playlist.
I'm starting to understand why you humans have been so successful. I had no idea Alliance vessels were so advanced.
The Normandy's a prototype. Cutting-edge technology.
A month ago, I was patching a makeshift fuel line into a converted tug ship in the flotilla. Now, I'm sitting on board one of the most advanced vessels in Citadel space. I have to thank you again for bringing me along. Traveling on a vessel like this is a dream come true for me.
I'm remembering the Homeworld comic a little bit.
I had no idea you found ship technology so interesting.
Well, you didn't really talk to her that much,
It comes with being a Quarian, but some of the fleet's larger vessels date all...
I can't believe...
But some things we just can't make on our own. A patch to maintain the hull.
I want to know more
I
about...
doubt... All I know is the story of... Over time, we made small modifications to their... But one thing we underestimated... Many of the... But... As you can imagine, this caused a near panic among my people.
What did you do?
It was inevitable. A general order went out across all Quarian-controlled systems to permanently deactivate...
You can't blame them for fighting.
We had no other... We feared the Geth would pursue us, but they never came beyond the Veil.
Leave it there.
Unfortunately... in extreme case... Fortunately...
And then,
it's a safeguard that served us well.
And let's learn about pilgrimage.
This is presented as a gift. It's not the best way to...
I forgot that this one stuck. If we change subjects, then I should go. I do that a lot. Carry on, Adams. Wait, did you just nod your head for me to yeet myself into the core? I did think about it. And nope. Okay. Talk to everyone, so we get to go do something. we're going to partially follow AJ's projected like path for this, where we're going to start by heading to Liara. We're just going to, oh, it is already there. I forgot. Oh, mod. Mod that tells you which systems have things. But so, at the very least, it's not complete. Right, because here mentions the missing Marines one is here, but it doesn't mention any of the other things. So we're gonna go here first. Knock ourselves around the systems here, then we're gonna go to, which one is it? I think it's Horsehead. Has, oh yeah, like there's not Novaria or Pharos. I think this has Pharos and then this has Novaria. So we're not seeing their stuff. So it tells us that they're here. Liara's over here. There's nothing in Athens and Macedon. So we're gonna start with Athens since there's nothing there, and we're gonna roll around. Just grabbing these up. Yeah, just grabbing our stuff. I think I saw that. Or was that just... Yeah, I think it was just a flash because I moved too quickly. Yeah, check that one, alright. Usually 3 things. I'm really annoyed that they got rid of the twinkle, you know? It's nice being able to just sit here, stare. If there's a twinkle, you knew that there's a thing right there. But they don't have it anyway. I'm gonna go around carefully. Just in case. Because I used the twinkle to get through these places quickly. I don't remember. Let's go here. That's where I need to go to. Matriarch writing, very nice. Nothing, very nice. Maybe lore. Ooh, fucking moving. Gas. Young. See. No. One of my mods put it back. Did you see it? One of my mods put the twinkle back. Hell yeah. Ah ha ha ha. It's so good. I forget which mod did that. But I appreciate you. Because it was odd that they removed it. Oh, I need to go to the... need to go to the planet. Level 1 pressure hazard. Well, I mean... Okay. Okay. It's not this location. Is one of the warlords here? Oh no. But there's a mission location here. Okay. Okay. Kill. Let's just do them. He'll be good. Nice. Okay, so whoops. Whoops. What button is it? Just jump. Maybe this will allow us to see it. Oh, I'm too far away. There's something right there. Well, don't worry about what I've done here, by the way. Okay. We're gonna go like over here, I think. I did look at a map a moment ago, so I don't think I just knew that this was over here perfectly. If you've already played the game before, just look at a map. The first time you play the game, yeah, spend 30 minutes to an hour at every single planet. How do I get out? Oh, E is apparently the zoom. How do I get out?
On my way.
It's cute. Cool. Let's go this way. Something like over there. I mean, the first time I played this series, I didn't use any maps either. The first time I played, like, if you want to watch me drive through these fucking planets unassisted, go watch the series. I mentioned it earlier. Go watch it. And I ramble a lot. I could have like left out a lot more footage than I did, but I didn't because I talked too much. Oh, there he is. Oop. Wrong button. Q. It's Q. Fuck. Just need to scooch it a little bit to the right as I went in. Hey, load up. So I think this is what I was building up to. I wanted to be able to get to you. And here we're trying to get this up just ambiently as we build up. As we build shit up. Let's look at you. Oh my god. Well, yeah, you're done. And at this point, yeah, I'll do auto. So I just needed those to go up, so that I can, because I don't have the mod that I should probably add this where you don't need that the like hacking stuff isn't dependent on electronics and decryption skills, but I did not do that. I'm not sure. I'm fine with you doing that. Okay. I haven't done anything, so I shouldn't have any equipment. Okay. So we're making our way up. We're making our way up. Isn't this fun? Isn't this great? Isn't this awesome? This is probably going to be the only problem with streaming Mass Effect 1 is that normally when I'm doing like this stuff, like when I'm playing on my own, which I have not played. I haven't played Mass Effect personally in a while. But as soon, oops, I should just like go back. There we go. Is it below the hill or is it up the hill? Oh, it's right there. There you go. There's something up that. Ooh, there's something up that hill.
Got it.
Womp 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 womp. Womp 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 womp. But yeah, no, I haven't played this game in a while. Had a mini rant from Blue Sky the other day, talking with or interacting. We had a conversation, not really. But interacted with Colonel Will Porter. Great comic artist.
Got it.
Love his shit. Please read Critter Tongue. It is so good. So fucking good. And I still need to read Dinosaur Sheriff. Yeah, so the only other thing that I haven't, besides this then, is this over here, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, no, that's the last thing. Okay. Why is this also out of proportion? It looks fucking weird. Doesn't it? Doesn't it look squished a little bit? Maybe it's not. Maybe I'm insane. But let's go, wait, where am I? Okay, let's go a little bit to the right. Grab the thing, and then finish up with that objective. Whoopsie. I do have an infinite sprint mod. Again, check, and you'll see why I can keep doing this for forever and ever and ever and ever and ever. But also not really forever, unless they there was an update recently, and maybe they because there is a limit, because mostly it's just, hopefully I didn't rouse suspicion of my fires. But at least before there was a cooldown for the sprinting mechanics, because essentially all that they did with the mod is change the modifiers and whatnot, you know. Because there's values. Wrong button. Q. Let me out. Okay. Excuse me. Is that a crash probe? Nice. We getting in there? No. Too fasting. Yeah. What do I have on here? I do like chemical rounds a lot. We'll do that. Well, yeah, we'll keep. How's your shotgun? Got some shit? Nice. How's your pistol? You don't really have much. Let's have you with that. Let's go recoil damper so you can just fire away. Fire. Excuse me. Up. See if we can angle it up. Nope, I'm going a little bit to the right. Oh, and I injured myself. Oop. Wait, hold on. We got this, guys. So this is a little bit angled wrong. So I'm going to fix it by going over here. So angled a little bit too. There we go. Dude. And there's always a little bit more up. Get in. Fuck. Excuse me. Hello? Oh, the guy I hit earlier. I really hate how this thing drives. I wish it would just drive normally, you know? But I think when I tried changing it, I couldn't drive the vehicle anymore. It was one of those issues where like you get used to how shitty something behaves and then you just can't fix it. Did I like the Reaper? Hold on. Fuck. Yeah, I like the Reaper. So I'm gonna change to it and you guys look good. Let's head inside. Save. I think it said saving, but I don't fucking care. Put a sabotage on that guy right there.
Powering up.
Okay, is he dead? No. Okay. Let's do a look around. Excuse me. Gotta keep shooting that face. Oh, hi. We'll put a fat warp, and why not,
Shutting them down.
Oh, I'm getting hurt. Shoot boost. No, 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 no. Why did you take so long to start running there? Oh my god. Anything we can do there? No. Just do that real quick. Why'd you walk in front of me, Caden? You wanna die? Hey, wait, is that restored? No. Because I don't have a mod that like restores the climbing mechanic. Because you used to be able to hit like space when looking at some surfaces and you could climb. Which was pretty cool. Take those. Oh my. Yeah, just grab that. Well, oh hey. I do think it's really weird that like, especially with like how the mini games go when it comes to hacking, like it's really fucking weird that you need to level up to gain access to doing them at all, right? And from there, they're still harder when you do the harder versions, and it's kind of stupid. Instead, how it should be is that you have access to them no matter what. And the hard ones are fucking hard, right? And then what you do is that when you hit those thresholds, like the easy ones are easy, the medium, then you go up, and then the medium ones get a little bit easier. The hard ones get a little bit easier, like that sort of thing. Like if that is how they handled that, then that would have been like so much cooler. Hey, level up. let's check out. Ooh, first aid interface. Don't mind if I dare. Is this better? No, that's so much worse. Let's go over to you. Let's give you my first aid interface from before, and you'll start rehealing a little bit. Did I get a new one of these? No, I did not. What else did I get here? Armor piercing. Radioactive. Just make your armor piercing really good. Yeah. Is that what I wanted it to be? You did not actually upgrade it. I got it. You gotta do this every time. Cool. Pistol? Let me check me first. Okay, now. You primarily use your pistol, and so I'm going to hold off the other one for Liara, who we're going to be picking up soon. So we'll do that. Yep. Yep. Not chemical 3 yet. Oh. Okay, no. Yeah, Phoenix armor is shit. I won't mark it for trash yet, though. Reposition. Okay. I don't actually want stasis, so I'm not actually going to put anything into stasis. I figured I would just do that, and I'm going to undo that decision. So I want singularity. Big fan of singularity. Singularity is great. Like push singularity. I have other people on my team. Just do that. Yeah. Yeah. We'll go here, and we'll just do auto. Nice. Okay. Do. Excuse me. I miss being able to climb my way out of here and just kind of throw myself down because the other characters couldn't climb. Shepard was the only one that had that limited climbing capacities. Ooh, my first aid interface. No matter if I do. Like, see this? This is already kind of like bullshit. Look for the opportunity. Fuck. Oh, yeah, I'm going to lose this one. What the fuck? I'll wait for the larger gap that this has. Yeah, that's fine. I guess I got stuck on something? I don't know what happened there. It doesn't really matter though. Just kind of want to wait. Mostly just that, right? You discover evidence that the Asari leading these slavers and Nasana Dantius, an important ambassador on the Citadel, are sisters. You should return to the Presidium and confront Nasana with this. No, you shouldn't. Just fucking report it. You know? Right? Why is that not an option? Why can't I just call up, like, Hack and go, hey. Why can't that be a thing? You know? But then again, doesn't really matter. But that's one of the things that I was saying earlier before losing track, just telling you to read Critter Tongue, that like I don't see Mass Effect as a role-playing game anymore. Like I definitely did originally, but I do not anymore. And I don't think I have for a very long while. Instead, I pretty much exclusively view Mass Effect as it's just a third-person shooter that has RPG elements. It's one of those. Now, how do I leave the planet? Besides doing what I'm doing now. Is it F? It is. Okay. Do I want to leave? Yes. But yeah, this is not like I don't see this as an RPG, because I think to be like an actual RPG, you need to be doing like the I guess what I kind of consider is like to be an actual RPG. It's not just dialogue, it's not just branching like story paths and stuff like that. That's of course needed, but something more of like the immersive sim type attitude towards gameplay, where it's not always run into a room, shoot and kill everyone, run into a room, shoot and kill everyone, run into a room, shoot and kill everyone. And reconciling that this is just a third-person shooter is important for that. It's just a third-person shooter. That happens to have some RPG elements. Just so happens. Doing the planets, I'm going to sit still for a moment so I can check out what's going on in the asteroid belts, because there's a few. A rare element, bananas. Again, we're not here to sit in awe of the beauty. Oh, I saw that. I want to sit for a moment though so I can see in the outer circle, because they twinkle at the exact same time. No, it's only one. What I do is I stare at the sun and use my peripheral vision to see any flashing. It's a lot easier. That should be it.
Commander, I'm picking up a signal from the planet's surface. It looks like an automated distress beacon.
Whoa. Atlas? Interesting. Okay. Yep. 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 Okay. Wait. Yep. Now I got my path. Okay. No, it would make sense to have him here. I want to make sure that we can unlock everything, and I want to get Garrus to the point where we can unlock everything too, because again, I don't have that mod yet. That could be my 23rd mod. My 23rd mod is the will be the just so I still want to do the hacking thing. I like it. It's fucking insane. Excuse me. I should be able to hit space and have that disappear. Okay, so I can bring any of them with me. Cool. You put your helmet back on. Oh, that's not the fun one. Oh, it's because of the planet we're on. Put your helmet on. Put your helmet on. Fucking hooligans. And you actually use that. And we'll give you hammer 3. Stop, fuck. That's what I want to do. Let's give your gun. Let's give that one that, and let's give this one the Fastic. And there you have improved sightings 3. That's already good. Here you had a high carbine. Interesting. Let's do a recoil damper. Yes, slightly, mostly better. Oh, there he is! Look at a little meow meow. I actually wanted to put that on Tali, so I fucked that up. That's all good. I'll take them both out. At some point. Well, that's better all around for you, isn't It's because he had. No, it's because he had. Yeah, that. Nice. Okay, wait. Instead of you with a recoil amber, let's make your pistol go a little pew pew a little bit harder, right? Yes. Yes. I can sleep. Oh wow, what's that? Oh wow. It's actually okay. I don't like ran up to it in a while. But then we're gonna hook right. There's something over there. I don't remember it being a tank. A little lag there. Frames. Whoops. Keep hitting E to like get into the shit. Okay, gotta go this way. Yeah, I didn't fuck up. Frames. At least it's not actually, like, I'm not dropping any frames. This is not like the fucking... Sick moves, Mako. This isn't like the fucking Marvel's Avengers thing where the, like, recording, like, even, like, the fucking recording lost frames. It's not just a stream. The recording lost fucking everything. It was bad. Let me in. Yeah, I was hitting the bumper and I got stuck and got hit by something last time. I guess we could have seen it from there. Whoops. It's going well. It's good. Wow. Yeah. Lithium deposit. No. Why did I move over to the right? The left being so open and willing. Last pass. Is that a crashed probe? That's a good bit from LE1. Is it a crash probe? Right. Begin that bypass. Oh my god. Okay. 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 Well, this is not good. Oh, that's fine. Hammerhead rounds. Oh. Trying to put it that way. Yeah. Okay. Wait, that's oh no, there's a thing up there. Warning. Don't need that. Don't, like, you don't need the warning. Like, what I wish, like, them spoiling what's there in a way is a little disappointing. Because it's so fucking terrifying. Like, it's so terrifying. The first time you encounter one of those fuckers. Is that a crash probe? No, that's a Solarian. I need a hacking minigame though. Pick your pockets. Is it a little? What? Yep, there it is. What? 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 Oh, there it is. Oh my god. Oh, you're doing this to me. Oh, it's coming for me.
Saren is either a traitor or a madman. Taking him down will restore the good name of Turians everywhere.
Just keep saying that, especially when you get a lot of angry people.
Oh, you bastard. Oh, don't touch me. It's probably dead. But so what went on there, the little conversation, isn't that a fucking cool thing? You're just sitting around in the boat. Why not have the, like, fucking, like, elevator chatter happen, you know?
Alliance soldiers. Looks like they were lured here by the distress beacon.
These are Admiral Kahoku's men. We need to tell him what.
You can't do anything about that. Thank you for the med job. Upgrade kit. Anything else going on here? I don't think so. I think that was it. Got a thresher maul. Because here, right, an actual RPG, these encounters would be worse. Because I chose a background where Shepard's entire squad got decimated by one of these things, or maybe a couple. I think it was a couple. I don't know, but it doesn't matter, right? For the fact that that experience happened, and I can just sit in my tank and shoot it, and I don't really have any issues, you know, like genuinely, like there's no consequence to having made any of those certain background decisions. Not really. There's some different paths and stuff that can happen, but it's not significant. It's so unimportant. That's the map. Hello? Alright, is Zoom out. Forgot that I don't drive the ship in this one. Zoom out. Alright, let's grab Liara. Yeah. What's all those? Check for servables, because that's free money. There's nothing down, right? It's a pretty good stretch. If you couldn't tell. Yeah, I didn't look that up. I didn't look at you. Because that's where I'm going. Bring Tali. Rex. Ma'am.
Commander, I'm picking up some strange readings. Really strange, like off the damn charts. It looks like it's coming from an underground complex a few clicks away from the drop zone.
Nice. Okay. Lost Colonel. Wowee. I don't think I've ever looked behind that, actually. That'd be a little gentle. Don't want to hit something and just like get thrown immediately into the lava. That'd be funny though. Drifted. Sorry, that was good. Enemy over there? What? What do you mean an enemy? Come on, yeah. Wow. I can't even like hit it. Nice. Oh, I leveled up. Check his gear first. Okay. This one would be good there. Let's do a recoil damper. And go over here. I want to make you have hammerhead on that. And we're going to go heat sink so that you can fire more. Fire! Fire! Nothing new there. And just a first aid interface I'm going to give to Tali. And then I'll give Rex the new one. Not like he needs it. Look at him. Okay. Back over to you. Yours is good. I think those are all good. Go over to me. Now, making the barrier better is in my best interest. But singularity. And for you, we'll just let the game run wild with that. Wow. Wait. And that was probably a bad idea, because you literally needed one more there to be able to have your heavy armor. Can I undo? No, I already fucked it up because I switched over. Bummer. Let's work that up. Wait, hold on. Toggled. There we go. That'd be funny though. Oh no, they're everywhere. Oops, nope.
Only a fool punches a knapsack in the mouth. We should sneak around and pull its tail.
Well, it's just that I never really looked. Is this open? Can we open it from this side? I don't think so, no. So it doesn't matter. I guess we can hop over top of it now. There's always a wee bit of a jump. Do stuff over here first. What button do I press? Q. Let's have you switch to what happens if I do this? I could have died right there. You find a clear opening and just mash with your heart's content. You can get in and out. Yeah. Nice. Sniper. Something down over here, I bet. Wow. Light armor? Sniper rifle? Very cool. Excuse me, pardon, excuse me, oh shit. I don't think there's anything behind that wall, but I can run over and check. Q. I know this one. You got anything in here? Nope. I should remember that by now, you know? I actually stuck on a tire. I'm gonna run over here real quick. Gasp. Is that the sky? What's the fucking sky? Singular. Where'd you go? Shot you in the ass. Okay. Excuse me, guys. Wow. Excuse me. Interesting.
Heading out.
Shut up. Shut. Shut. Get off. Oh my god. Wow. What? Oh, you just... Wow. 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 Rude. Ooh. What about E? Body slam. Wow. Ow, that hurt me a little bit. Hey, get out. Nice. I leveled up, right? Was there something that I was aiming for a moment ago? I don't think I was doing anything, right? So let's go up to advanced singularity and let's put this into body armor. Looking at you, I'm doing these two, not letting them steal that from you. And then we're just going to auto the other. Nice. We're going to put one in you, and then... yeah, just auto. Rest. Nice. Equipment. A lot of things. Okay. Anything that I want for me? I don't think so. Okay. Well, since there's two of those, I'll go ahead and give you one. Go to here. I mean, that's a little bit better on damage and accuracy, so we'll probably go ahead and just take that and see how it is, how it feels, and how it goes, and how to do. You know, those things. Put that on there. Get a new grenade yet. Cryo 3, I'll take that. Nothing there. Man, it's better shields, but everything else fucking sucks. It sucks. It sucks. Did I get a better first aid interface? You don't need a first aid interface. Instead, I'll give you the hardened weave, and you need a first aid interface. You need that. Especially if they don't give me anything for you. You know? Record vapor is more useful to you. Wait. What's your shotgun? Yeah. Okay. Oh no. Yeah, the scimitar's still better now. Okay. I don't really need any of these yet. Okay, I think we're good here. Yeah, the recoil damper is a good choice for you. Yeah, it's good. Alright. Unwired. Oops. Thanks for the autosave. Oops. Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay. Yeah. Let's do that. Oh. I wasn't paying attention at all. Actually, what was I thinking about there? My mind went fucking blank. Excuse you. Gasp. Play the music. I'm gonna have to dodge that. I want to do that for me. I'm going to do an AI hacking target there. My pistol's just better than my sniper right now. So I should probably just stick to that. What weapon could we use? Okay, that's what I want to do.
I smell trouble.
I never noticed a small hole here. All clear?
Kill them all.
Let's use my marksman ability. I tried to dodge it. Switch over here. Oh yeah. Okay, we are going to be dealing with a lot of bullshit in a moment. So being able to survive or kill better is going to be a good option. What's this? What's this? Just do that. Yeah, I don't have any aspirations for you at the moment. And same with you. We're good all around. Good all around. Okay, so we're gonna do save, even though we're gonna get another save anyway soon. Switch to this. Actually. Still full up on health, so that's good. I didn't see the autosave thing go up, so I'm glad I saved. Ooh. Oh wow. Look at that. Oh wow. Is it a Colossus or just an Avenger? I don't remember. They make it seem huge though. Okay, so you got zapped. That's unfortunate. I'm gonna do that real quick. Shield's down. Ow, what the fuck? Who's hitting me? Oh, there's a shock trooper right there. Okay, well, let's do this. Disable his weapons. Yeah? There's just a lot going on. Can you guys get behind cover? Got him. Nice. Where's the other guy? Oh, your stuff's broken already still. Okay, whatever. We'll do that real quick. What am I doing? Go back. Why are you... It's a ridiculous game. Come on. Don't be fucking dumb. Let's waste a hacking on you. Okay, so Tali's broken or something. Okay, get up. Yellow. There's my cursor. Hello. Yellow. Yellow. Great delay on that. That was awesome. Are you alive? Oh, there you are. Were you just standing out in the open, you fucking idiot? Revolutionary Squad II. I don't think the game ever said that it had that. So there's a strat to run all the way over here and hide behind these boxes. I see. He had a pretty good eye of the landscape. I mean, that would have been smart. I just kind of head down the left side. It's fine. It's fine. I'm already inside, okay. Oh no! At least I didn't have to get up for that one. Shit. You're still alive? Fuck. Investing in vision. This is fine. Watch this. Delicately move. Oh. It's fine.
Think we're good, Commander. Finally, some action.
Stupid sniper shooting the dick. Wow. Ow. I want to hit hard. Where are you? Cool.
All targets down.
I believe you. Nothing ever hiding out over here.
Formed around the ruin after it was built.
Fuck, the elbow hurts. Let's run up here and get some dialogue. Unless that's the dialogue that we were just given there. Never mind. This is fine. Might do a shorter Carl today just because I'm tired. Forgot about that. I almost turned into Jenkins there. Shit.
Shields disabled.
You're already down? Are you even shooting? Why do you have your fucking... Why can I not change your fucking weapon back? I hate you. Get the fuck off the fucking assault rifle, you goddamn idiot. Stop it.
Contacts, Commander.
Thank you, Rex, for the assessment. Fucking hell. Second time I changed that idiot back to there. Twice this fucking game. You don't need to be using it.
Hello?
Hi.
Could somebody help me?
Yep.
Please?
Mm-hmm.
Can you hear me out there? I'm trapped. I need help.
Are you okay? What happened to you?
Listen, this thing I'm in is a Prothean security device. I cannot move, so I need you to get me out of it, all right?
How'd you end up in there?
I was exploring the ruins when the Geth showed up, so I hid in here. Can you believe that? Geth beyond the veil! I activated the tower's defenses. I knew the barrier curtains would keep them out. When I turned it on, I must have hit something I wasn't supposed to. I was trapped in here. You must get me out, please!
Your mother is working with Saren. Whose side are you on?
You never got confirmed that I was there.
I am not on anybody's side. I may be Benezia's daughter, but I'm nothing like her. I have not spoken to her in years. Please, just get me out of here.
We just need to figure some way past this energy field.
It's a Prothean barrier curtain. I knew it would keep me safe from the Geth. When I turned it on, I must have hit something I wasn't supposed to. I was trapped in here. You must get me out, please.
We'll find some way to help you.
There is a control in here that should deactivate this thing. You'll have to find some way past the barrier curtain. That's the tricky part. The defenses cannot be shut off from the outside. I don't know how you'll get in here. Be careful. There is a Krogan with the Geth. They have been trying different ways to get past the barrier.
Well, I have a Krogan. Hi, Arya. Let's see who gets grabbed over there. Any of them.
Countermeasure deployed.
Get up. Missed the headshot. Cut. Oops. Got the headshot there. You're just strong. You're dead now. Yeah, switch back to the pistol. I would like to see, so I can fight. Good timing there. Oh my god, yes. Oh, no, they're dead. They're dead. Yeah. Wow. Nice. Hi, Arya. Yeah, if you want to sit on my lap, please. You can just sit here. Anything back here? Nope. Excuse me. Oh, hi. Yeah, do it up. Do it. Just don't wipe your butthole on my hand. Just rubbing her face on the mic right now. Okay. Enter code. Don't mind if I do. Ow. Arya. For the love of fuck. I appreciate the little lick. Please get down. Ow. Fuck. Why'd you have to claw me so much? You didn't need to do that. So just keep switching to your fucking assault rifle. Like in the Reaper, so I'll switch back. Don't like the hammer that much. Did I get anything that was good for me? I don't think so. Yeah, no, I said everything was shit earlier. First aid RCs 3. Yeah, it's good for now. Yeah, I don't think I got anything else. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Oh yeah, the others. No. They're gonna give you stasis. You wanna let it happen. Thank you, Arya. Can I go back up? Stop. Stop. Can I tell you that what I did? No, I have to tell you when I go. Okay, Arya's out. And I do not have any poop smears on me. Thank you, Arya, for not pooping on me. Down in a hole. So, how you two doing? Do you like elevators? I sometimes do, but only sometimes.
Oh, how did you get in here? I didn't think there was any way past the barrier.
Went through the door.
We blasted through with the mining laser.
Of course. Yes, that makes sense. Please.
Super
get
easy,
me out of here
barely an
before more Geth
inconvenience.
arrive. That button over there should shut down this containment field.
Wow.
Any idea how we get out of this place?
Yes, we go up the
There's an
elevator.
elevator back in the center of the tower. At least I think it's an elevator. It should take us out of here. Come on.
I forgot that actually, like, no, we were just
I still cannot believe all this. Why would the Geth come after me? Do you think Benezia's involved?
Yep.
Saren's looking for the conduit. You're a Prothean expert. He probably wants you to help him find it.
The conduit, but I don't know.
Excuse me.
What the hell was that?
You know what it is, bitch.
These ruins are not stable. That mining laser must have triggered a seismic event.
Wow.
We have to hurry. The whole place is caving in.
Joker, get the Normandy airborne and lock in on my signal. On the double, mister.
Aye, aye, Commander. Secure and away. ETA 8 minutes.
He needs to move faster.
If I die in here, I'll kill him.
Thank you. Which way will we be looking? I think maybe behind us? No, you're in front. Yeah. Holly? You have the wrong thing again.
Surrender. Or don't. That would be more fun.
Let's try to see if we can get...
There a reason you're in my way?
The same reason you're here. The Asari. Thanks for getting rid of those energy fields for us. Hand the doctor over.
Whatever it is you want, you are not getting it from me.
She'll stay with us, thanks.
Not an option. Saren wants her. And he always gets what he wants.
Does he now?
Kill him. Spare the Asari if you can.
Oh, wow.
If not, doesn't matter.
We need this and this. No, actually, we'll have you do throw, and I'm going to do singularity right there. I use my abilities, it's not that bad. I use my abilities and think boldly, tactically. Nice. Natalie, Liara, Shepard. Your seam broke a little bit.
Too close, Commander. 10 more seconds we would have been swimming in molten sulfur. The Normandy isn't equipped to land in exploding volcanoes. They tend to fry our sensors and melt our hull. Just for future reference.
We almost died out there, and your pilot is making jokes?
It's a coping mechanism. You'll get used to it.
I see. It must be a human thing. I don't have a lot of experience dealing with your species, Commander.
Oh.
But I am grateful to you. You saved my life back there, and not just from the volcano. Those Geth would have killed me or dragged me off to Saren.
That's right.
What did Saren want with you? Do you know something about the conduit?
Only that it was somehow connected to the Prothean extinction.
Really?
That is my real area of expertise. I have spent the past 50 years trying to figure out what happened to them.
50 years.
How old are you exactly?
I hate to admit it, but I am only 106.
Is this good?
Damn. I hope I look that good when I'm your age.
A century may seem like a long time to a short-lived species like yours. That is why my research has not received the attention it deserves. Because of my youth, other Asari scholars tend to...
Did your research turn up anything interesting?
What is interesting is it is almost... But here is the incredible part. According to my findings...
Where'd you come up with it?
It is... But I know I'm right.
If the Protheans weren't...
Their greatest achievements, the mass relays and the Citadel, are based on the technology of those who came before them. And then, like all the other forgotten civilizations throughout galactic history, the Protheans disappeared. I have dedicated my life to figuring out why.
They were wiped out by a race of sentient machines. The Reapers.
The Reapers? But I have never heard of... How do you know this? What evidence do you have?
There was a damaged Prothean beacon on Eden Prime. It burned a vision into my brain. I'm still trying to sort out what it all means.
Visions? Yes, that makes sense. The beacons were designed to transmit information. No one... But the beacon... I am...
Okay, this isn't helping us
Of course, you're right. I am sorry, my scientific curiosity...
I don't know why Saren wanted you out of the picture.
Thank you, Commander. Saren might come after me again. I cannot think of anywhere safer than here on your ship. And my knowledge of the Protheans might be useful later on.
And her biotics will come in handy when the fighting starts.
Good to have you on the team, Liara.
Thank you, Commander. I am very grateful. Oh, I am afraid I am feeling a bit lightheaded.
When was the last time you ate or slept? Dr. Chakwa should take a look at you.
It is probably just mental exhaustion, coupled with the shock of discovering the Protheans' true fate.
Is that right?
I need some time to process all this. Still, it would not hurt to be examined by a medical professional. It will give me the chance to think things over.
Yeah.
Are we finished here, Commander?
We can talk again after you've seen the doctor. The rest of you, dismissed.
Mission reports are filed, Commander. You want me to patch you through to the Council?
Yeah, why not?
Patch him through, Joker.
Setting up the link now, Commander.
We've received your report, Commander. I understand Dr. T'Soni is on the Normandy.
I assume you're taking the necessary security precautions.
Liara's on our side. The Geth were trying to kill her.
Benezia would never allow Saren to kill her daughter.
Maybe she doesn't know.
Or maybe we don't know her. We never expected she could become a traitor.
At least the mission was a success.
Apart from the utter destruction of a major Prothean ruin.
Yep.
Was that really necessary, Shepard?
Yes.
The Geth were crawling all over those ruins. We were lucky to make it out alive.
Of course, Commander. The mission must always take priority.
Good luck, Commander. Remember, we are all counting on you.
Yeah. Ooh. Okay. We can have a slow start the next time around. Running around and talking to people. Just keep the door closed. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I guess I'm done. Yeah, I'm done. I'm done, yeah. I'm done. Dumb? Maybe. Done. Absolutely. Okay. Oh, there's a level up there in the fight, I forgot. Let's make the barrier better. Yeah. Okay. So, I did do everything that I wanted to do, mostly. I'm just tired. And whenever starting late, it's kind of hard because there's like a general time of the day that I'm always a little bit more tired. And, right, we're pretty much into it. So, it becomes an issue. Hi, Aria. You still have like 45 minutes until food, so you're fine. But yeah, let's go over here. Let's make me big. Oh, that's going around on the make me big? I forgot because it wasn't working. There we go. Aria. Alright, let's have some Carl in the background of me, especially with the holes. It's kind of funny. Okay. Aria, can you just not lick me at the moment? Okay, here's an Aria. She doesn't like being held. About to be done. No worries. Okay, yeah. So we are at. We're more than halfway through. We're through Unit 7 of Khan Academy's 4th grade class. We got Liara, but there's tons of other shit. We've done all of the Artemis Tau cluster. We will be going to I think Elatania will be one of the next targets. Yeah. So that we can go ahead and just boost up this boy's Paragon as far as we can take it and get that out of the way. But we'll have to run around the Citadel and do some shit there. We might clean up more. We might do some of the other systems and assignments that we currently have. Like, we might run around and do like all that shit in like a next big sort of swing. We'll see. But yeah, so to everybody watching now and anyone watching in the future, take care now and bye-bye then. I have to hit pause so I can go out and stop the recording. I'll show you me doing the save. We'll save file. Aria, you're twisting your tail up in the wires. Chill out. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye. 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 Bye.